Something massive is happening in India right now. ChatGPT just dropped to 399 rupees. Google's giving away premium AI for free and everyone's cutting prices like crazy. But here is the thing. This is not just about being nice. There is a $1 billion strategy behind it. And I am about to spill everything. What's up, everyone? So, if you have been following tech news, you have probably noticed that literally every AI company is suddenly obsessed with India. And I am not talking about small discounts. We are seeing price cuts of 70 to 80%. Today, we are diving deep into why this is happening and what it means for all of us. Let me start with the biggest shocker. OpenAI just launched something called ChatGPT Go exclusively for India. Now, here is what blew my mind about this. The pricing game changer. They are charging just 399 rupees per month. That's about $5. Compare this to their regular ChatGPT Plus at 1999 and you are getting premium AI for a fraction of the cost. And it's not some watered down version either. You get 10 times more conversations with GPT-4, 10 times more image creation and double the memory compared to the free version. Plus, and this is huge for India. You can pay with UPI, no more struggling with international credit cards. Here is what really catch my attention. India is already ChatGPT's second largest market globally. We are talking about 36% of Indians using ChatGPT daily. That's double the global average. With numbers like that, you can see why OpenAI is making these moves. But OpenAI is not the only one going all out. Google just announced something even crazier for students if you are 18 or older and studying in India. Google is giving you their premium Gemini AI Pro for an entire year and completely free. We are talking about a 19,500 value here. What's included? Everything. Gemini 2.5 Pro, their most powerful AI model, deep research capabilities, Notebook LM with 5x higher limits, and even their new VO video creation tool. And 2 terabyte of cloud storage thrown in because why not? Not to be outdone. OpenAI partnered with IIT Madras and announced they are giving away 5 lakh ChatGPT licenses to Indian students and teachers. They are even creating special study mode features designed for Indian curricula including CBSE and IIT exam preparation. Even Elon Musk's XAI is in on this. Their Super Grok costs 700 per month in India, while the same thing costs $30. That's 2,500 everywhere else. That's a 70% discount just for being Indian. And here is something really smart. Perplexity partnered with Airtel to give their Pro subscription free for a year to all Airtel customers. That's covering 360 million users across mobile, broadband, and DTH services. Imagine the data gold mine they are sitting on. Now let's talk about why this is all happening. It's not charity, it's brilliant business. Here are the numbers that will blow your mind. India is set to cross 900 million internet users by 2025. That's nearly twice the population of the entire US. And get this, 55% of these users are in rural areas, which means there is still massive untapped potential. Indians spend an average of 90 minutes daily on the internet and 83% of that is on mobile. We consume 20 GB of data per month per user, making us the world's largest mobile data consumers. With UPI transactions hitting crazy numbers, payment integration became crucial for these companies. This is the classic land grab strategy that Netflix and Amazon perfected. Start with super affordable pricing, build a massive user base, get them hooked, then gradually introduce premium tiers. Once you are a part of someone's daily routine, price becomes less of a concern. But here is something to think about. With all this free and cheap AI access, we are generating massive amounts of data. While these tools are incredibly helpful, it's worth understanding how our data is being used and stored. But India is not just consuming, we are creating too. Companies like Lumo AI from Indore are building platforms that let you access ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, and Grok all in one place, starting at 449 per month. Smart cost optimization that switches between models based on your needs. Then there is Sarvam AI from Bangalore, building AI that actually understands Indian languages properly. Their Bubble V2 creates natural sounding voices in 11 Indian languages, not the robotic English translated stuff we are used to. And we can't forget Bhavish Agarwal's massive 1,900 crore bet on Kruti Rhythm. They are building everything from AI infrastructure to Kruti, India's first agentic AI assistant that understands Indian context. Look, this AI price war is amazing for us as consumers. We are getting access to tools that cost 10x more in other countries. But remember, when something is free or super cheap, you are often the product. My advice, take advantage of these offers, but also support Indian companies building AI for our specific needs. The real winner will be whoever builds AI that truly understands Indian languages, cultures, and problems. So, what do you think about this AI price war? Are you planning to grab any of these deals? And more importantly, which Indian AI startup do you think will make it big? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this breakdown helped you understand what's really happening in India's AI space, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into tech trends.